When was the last time a Honda excited you? Well, Honda hopes that will change with this, the Elevate. Honda's long-awaited rival to the Creta. This is a proper mid SUV. It runs on a 2650mm wheelbase, and Honda haven't told us that, but it is easy to surmise that this is running the same platform as the Honda City, which is a good thing because we do like the City in a lot of aspects. Now, it gets the same engine as the Honda City, 1.5 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, 120 bhp, 145 Newton meters of torque. You get a 6-speed manual or a CVT transmission. Front wheel drive, not all wheel drive. Now, we thought that this might have got the hybrid and that could be a cool talking point for the Elevate, but no hybrid as of now, only this 1.5 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine. It runs on a 2650mm wheelbase on the inside. It does look pretty spacious. We will go inside and we'll talk about that in a bit. But the architecture is all new. There are a few elements that have been taken from the City, but it gets a big infotainment screen, 10.25-inch infotainment, 7-inch digital cluster, similar to the City, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, whole bunch of connected car features. And this does look interesting. Now, this is Honda's global design scheme for the grille. It's the first time that we are seeing it in India. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments. It definitely does look bold and imposing. The Elevate gets full LED lights up front as well as LED tail lamps. Now, this looks like a connected light bar, but it is actually not. You just get these LED elements on the side. The boot space, 458 liters. So it is a pretty spacious boot. Inside also, there is a good amount of space. It runs on a 220mm ground clearance, 17-inch alloy wheels. So overall, it is well proportioned. If you sat in a Honda City, the cabin of the Elevate will be familiar. Now, you get height adjustable seats, but it is manual, not electric. Manual adjust also for the seats. The dials, you get this part digital cluster that we've seen in the City. So a 7-inch digital piece and a regular analog dial for the speedo. So it actually looks pretty good. We've said that in the City in the past. The steering wheel, again, taken from the City. It does feel nice to touch. The infotainment though is new. It's a 10.25-inch infotainment. It gets wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, a whole bunch of connected car features, but it also gets proper physical buttons out here. This is for the volume, home button. You get a proper control for the air conditioning. You get this tray that we've seen in the City with a wireless charger out there. Manual gearbox, and knowing Honda, this will be an absolutely sweet manual gearbox. The automatic is a CVT, not a regular torque converter. The seats are comfortable. Sunroof, you get a regular size sunroof, similar to what you would find in the City. It's not a panoramic sunroof. Overall sense of space is good. You get a rear parking camera out here. I don't think you get a 360 camera. They haven't mentioned any of that. But that's the cabin of the Elevate. Overall, well put together. Honda quality has always been good. The door shut is got a good quality thud. And everything works quite well. There is nothing really to make you go wow with the cabin, but it all works well. It is sensible, it is practical, and it is well put together, which actually works for the Honda audience. Space is going to be a big USP of the Elevate. Now, Arpit, what's your height?
5 feet 8 inches.
Okay, so 5 feet 8 inches, so he's not a short guy, and I've got plenty of free knee room. There's a decent amount of headroom, not particularly generous, but a decent amount of headroom. The seats are actually very comfortable. There's a decent amount of under thigh support. The transmission tunnel is not much, not very prominent. And I think 5 people can actually sit in here. It'll be a bit of a squeeze putting 5 people in here, but for 4, this is actually very comfortable. The seat back recline angle is also well thought out, and overall, there is a good amount of space. And if you think that the Elevate needs more chrome, well, you will get it. This one has got possibly what is the chrome accessory pack. So the chrome on top, that is standard, but you get more chrome around the grille, chrome out here, chrome on the wing mirrors, chrome on the sides, chrome around the door frame. So you can get a lot of chrome and make your Elevate look even more bling. The Elevate bookings open in July and it goes on sale around the festive season. So looking around September. What do you think of the Elevate? Does the Elevate make you excited with Honda? Let us know in the comments.